Welcome friends. Today we will discuss about different types of comb in domestic fowl. Birds have different skin appendages like comb and wattle in chickens, snood and caruncles in turkeys, the helmet in guinea fowl, and casque in cassowary birds. So chickens have different comb types that are useful for identification of the different breeds. Then to check the well-being or health status of the birds. Also to check the production status. In Latin words, the comb is called as Gallus, and that's why scientific name of domestic chicken is Gallus domesticus. This comb is simply a fleshy protuberance on the top of the head of the fowl, present in both the sexes. This is an ornamental appendage of the bird, and the another one is the wattle that you can see in the picture. The size and color of the comb is also associated with the gonadal development and secretion of sex hormones. And the normal red color of comb is due to high vascularity of the dermis part of the skin. These are the different types of combs which are present in domestic fowl, that are a single comb, rose comb, pea comb, cushion comb, buttercup comb, strawberry, walnut, duplex, and V comb. Let's see a single comb. Single comb is typically present in white leghorn breed of Nigerian class, and single comb has body, anterior and posterior portion. It has typically 5 to 6 points. The middle point is higher than anterior and posterior ones. Normally, in case of white leghorn, it has 5 points, and in case of Rhode Island Red, it has 4 points. As the age of the bird advances, especially in breeders, the size of comb becomes very large and loops at one side, which make a problem in visibility of the bird. So sometimes comb is prone to frostbite condition also. Therefore, to avoid these problems during the old stage, the comb is trimmed with the help of scissor in hatchery. So this process of trimming or removal of comb is called as dubbing. The next comb type is pea comb. Of course, its shape is like a pea. This comb has 3 ridges. The central ridge is at a higher position, and outer 2 ridges are marked with small rounded serrations. Pea comb typically found in Brahmas and Cornish, also in Asil breed of the cushion comb is very smooth on top. The front, rear, and sides are straight with rounded corners. Here I don't have spike. Cushion comb is found in silky breed. Buttercup comb has single ledger that forms a cup-shaped crown structure, and the ledger forms circle and has regular points. The cup-shaped cavity is very deep. Buttercup is found in buttercup breed and the Poland breed. Strawberry comb resemble like strawberry fruit. You should not confuse with cushion comb and the strawberry comb. Cushion comb have smooth surface, but strawberry comb has a small points on its surface, just observed on strawberry fruits. And this strawberry comb is very common in Malay breed of the. Next one is walnut comb. This walnut comb is similar to the walnut shell appearance. Walnut comb is produced from 2 dominant alleles for pea and rose combs. What this walnut comb is very common in silky. The duplex comb is single at anterior end but bifurcated at posterior end. It shows a slight split at the posterior of the blade, and in most breeds with duplex comb, the 2 branches of homozygotes are single spikes or short structure, but in buttercup comb, the diverging halves form a cup ringed with points like those on the single comb. V-comb found in Polish breed, and it has two well-defined V-shaped horns joined at the base of the beak. Rose comb is flat on its surface and fleshy in nature that terminates into well-developed tapering spikes, typically found in wyandotte breed of the chicken. Side spring is not a comb type, but it is a disqualification or one of the abnormal structure present in the single comb. During selection, the birds showing such a side spring are culled. So you can find a lateral extra projection near the posterior end of a single comb called as side spring. It results when two complementary dominant genes are present. That's why even parents lacks in this defect could produce offsprings with side spring. Friends, I hope this video may help you in identification of different combs in chicken. Thank you very much.